me, and then we're going to switch to the live camera, and then we're going to say, let's go. Make sure we're all plugged up. Sweet. All right, here we go. So this is a track I've been working on since I started doing this live stream broadcasting since before March 12th. Let me turn it up some more. Okay. So I'm learning how to use GarageBand better. And I'm learning how to use Streamyard. Oh my gosh. Wow. Why is it doing that? Okay. That's super loud. Yeah, I don't know why it just tried to blow us out with the sound. It's interesting. Let's turn down some parts, at least in my headphones. So here's some previous guitar tracks. That's with the acoustic though, so I'm gonna turn this back off. I haven't, my poor little laptop is tripping out, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and do this. And I'm not sure why I'm getting like feedback. Why is it doing that? Yeah, it's peaking out. Why? Yeah, okay, we're losing channels. Alright. Let me see here. There we go. My channels were peaking out. Check. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Peak check. Mic check. Peak. That's better. That was trippy. Mic check. Peak. Mic check. Peak for mic. There's all these things. Oh, wow. There's all these mic check things that you should do before you go live and stuff. So that's why I'm doing this, because singing and talking live is different. They are not the same setup. And I have been playing online for a long time. Man, I can't wait to get my longer cable. It is still peaking out. Why are you peaking out? It is. There we go. That is. So I'm looking at my levels on my other screen like you can't see this. So I play in Second Life as well. I play. So I sing and play in Second Life as well. And in Second Life, I also have this thing called, I'll share it with you. It's easier. It's this. This shows me my levels that's coming through the system because I play in Second Life, and it shows me my settings and how loud I am. And when you're performing online, that's real important because you can't see your settings when you're live streaming, you can only see what comes out of your mixer. And right now, my settings say they're still too high. Check. That's better. I'm not having to check. I'm not having to be up on my mic, and you can't see my mic because it's up. I have it up above my head because that's where I prefer it to be when I'm performing, so it's angled at me in such a manner that it picks up the room in some instances, but as it is right now, it's picking up just me and the vocals. And for my singing voice, that's different, so I need to be able to see what my levels are when I'm singing. That's why I have this. All right, so we're gonna stop screen sharing that thing and go back to this. All right, so let's see. Can you hear the guitar now? That's good. It doesn't cross it out. That's what I've found, that some oh yeah, and I'm doing this. It's still too loud. It's so bizarre to me. What did I do? So I'm using my laptop as my guest to get this screen in for multi-streaming cameras. And then my laptop is actually running through a USB A/B cord cable into the Yamaha mixer. And the mixer is a powered one, and it's a MG10XU. I need to put that over here. Making all these notes. Anyway, I'm just like everybody else. I'm learning how to broadcast better online. Here to help anybody else that wants to learn or be your guinea pig for helping you broadcast. If I could share my Mac screen, if I could share my Mac view to my desktop, then I wouldn't have to have the second call-in camera. But that's what I have. So I'm using what I have. You use what you got. And it doesn't live stream right now. It doesn't work with iPad. If that was the case, then I could have like 3 cameras. But they don't have it yet. But thank you, Streamyard, for being here. Let's see if we can turn up the mix. This track is called G Major, and it's one of my new 2020 songs. It's a little bit of everything. It's just what I like to do. Anyway, this is my test. My name's Sonia Javette. totally forgot to record it. Okay, wait. Go back. Okay, wait. And okay, so I'm gonna hit record. And I need a track. No. Let's delete these. Delete. All right, we're gonna add a new track, and it's gonna be my guitar into the mix. Direct. Create. And then there's the guitar. And we're gonna rename it guitar or organic guitar. And I need to hurry up because my laptop's freaking out. It doesn't like this. All right, it's still peeking out. I gotta figure out where all that's coming from, but it's picking up my voice, and I wonder if I should record it with let me pick not guitar, not this, but a new track. Cut that out and make it be not this. Guitar, that. Let's see what happens when we do it that way. Because in my headphones, this is like really loud, and it's not showing like it's loud here. All right, let's try it that way. So this is me using an actual guitar added track. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Hit record, dork. My pedal was having issues. Oh, I just did it really? Okay, cool. Okay, so that's my test. We'll see what it goes sound like. Thanks for being here. Let me entertain you. Thank you for no. La la la. You can do that. If you'd like to donate to my channel, that'd be great. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll keep trying to learn to do more. I need more equipment, but I can't do more equipment because much love, much light. Thank you for being here. My name's Sonia Javette. Ending stream now. Bink.